How stupid would I be to do that?
I didn't say you were holding.
That's stupid, guys.
I didn't.
Is this camera on me?
Yes, it's on.
That's stupid. Use your common sense. Don't forget the blogs. Forget how you feel about me. Hate me if you want to, love me if you want, but just use your common sense.
All right, so welcome back to another video. Today I want to go ahead and talk about the bot because some people aren't convinced that this bot is real. Like all of these scam videos are saying, yeah, these are fake trades. These aren't real. They're not actually happening, guys, right? They can't even actually verify that, but they say it. And people believe them, man. I don't understand how that video has 13,000 views. Right? In my opinion, I think the reason why people believe him is because he has a British accent. So it sounds like everything he's saying is accurate. And it's like, no, bro. Do your own due diligence. Stop watching videos and believing them immediately. You know what I'm saying? You don't know their agenda, so do your own due diligence. Somebody asked me in my comment section, can you go ahead and show side by side like the actual trade that they say happened and the actual chart pulled up, right? You can go ahead and check this out yourself. You can use any broker you want. All right, so let's go ahead and pull up the first one right here. Okay, this one actually shows you the thing like where it's at, whatnot. So you can see there's a buy order right here, boom, boom. Okay, you can verify yourself. This is an actual chart. You can use any broker you want. This is legit. Okay, so you can see the amount of pips, what, 38.66. I got 592. It's about 2.8 pips. And I do have a website that actually shows exactly how much you would get if it was like, you know, the amount or whatnot. That's 2.8 pips, and the lot size was 2117. 592. I mean, this is stuff you guys can go ahead and check yourself. Let's go ahead and pull up another one. Right, boom. These are all the ones that happened recently. Okay, trade right here was a sell. This happened. All right, the bot saw it, analyzed the chart, and it was like, boom. Let me go ahead and go in and scalp real quick. You notice that these are really fast. I'm on the minute chart. These are scalping. They're just going in, coming out. Okay, like this is stuff you have to verify yourself, because maybe you don't believe me, but check it out yourself on the chart. That actually happened. This is 1.4 pips. I made 296. I have lot size 2115. I already have it up here. Put it at 1.4, 296. We can pull up another one. I mean, we can go one by one on these. All right, this happened. This was a sell. Small, very, very small. Like they only go for small pips. That's their strategy. They go for very, very small pips each trade. If they're going for like freaking 100 pips, man, that'll be so hard to do, man. Like that's too difficult. So they're going in for very, very small pips. That's 1.3. Let's go ahead and check it out right quick. 2106. 1.3. And is that correct? 2106. Yep. 1.3. 273. Was that correct? 273. I mean, here's the big one right here that everyone was like going crazy about. $829 that I made. That was a 4 pip movement. I already know that from the bat. But you can see that it happened here. Sell. Boom. 4 pip movement. All right. Go to zoom in. 4 pip. That was a nice little one right here. Like this thing. I mean, come on, man. Come on. All right. 2074, right? Go ahead and show you right here. 20.74. 4 pips. 829. Guys, this is for real, man. Verify this yourselves. Verify it. Use any broker. Check the chart. See where they got in and got out. They're scalping. This bot is for real. All right. So yeah, that's pretty much it on this. But say for some reason this is not enough, right? This can be fake. Maybe I don't know about that. Maybe it's possible for you to fake a trade that actually happened and somehow do that for every account over 100-something thousand. That's insane. What's the point of doing all that? What do they gain from that, right? What's the point? All right, so I did the math right here. Okay, they have 150,000 people. The bot costs $100. Right now it's on sale. We're gonna keep it $100 though. Okay, I have a calculator here. I did the math before, but let's go ahead and do it. 150,000 times 100. $15 million. Okay, and then we have the other ones here. No one is really using them at all whatsoever. So we'll say probably about what, 16 million in total. Yeah, we just toss in 16 million. Now the question I have to ask you, a simple question. You can go ahead and ask this in any scam review video out there. How are they paying out weekly? A simple question. Very simple. There's no bot. All right, in this situation, the bot isn't real, right? Just let's entertain the idea. The bot isn't real. And this is some kind of Ponzi. Okay, so they're using the money that's coming in and they're paying people at the top. People at the bottom not getting any money, right? Even though you can easily verify that's not true, because literally everyone that joins and makes money. But let's entertain the idea right quick, all right, and see. So they're getting about 7%. You can go ahead and verify this. They're getting about 33% monthly, right? Even some months having as high as 44, 51, 41. But we're not even gonna bring that up. Let's just go ahead and go for the bare minimum. Bare minimum, they're getting about 7%, right? Weekly, right? That's what they say right here. This is 7.6. I've never seen it go below 7%, okay? So let's say they're getting 7% profit, okay? 224 million that they're using for trading or whatever, right? 224 million. And turn 7%. 15.6 million for a week, not a month, not a year, a week that they have to pay out. Times 2, that's already more than they've already made from the entirety of these purchases all together. They couldn't even cover that for 2 weeks, and it's been around since August. So explain to me, all right, how could they be paying out? And I'm not even bringing the fact that they have a compensation plan, okay, that's paying out a stupid amount, right? I mean, this is unheard of. You get 10% of the subscription bot that people pay, and then you get 30% of whoever you bring, if you know, depending on your rank or whatnot. But you get 30% first level, 20%. This is a match bonus. This isn't like you're taking their money. No. This is, they're paying you on top of that. On top. And every time that person redeposits their earnings, you also get a percentage. Explain to me how, even just for the bonuses alone, they cannot cover it for a week. A week, they could not cover it. So explain. You cannot, because they do have the bot. Now you put the bot back into the equation. Now everything adds up. Everything adds up. Okay, because you pull out the calculator and the compounding daily. So we have what we said, 15 million, 16 million. All right, plus they're getting a 20% profit sharing. Okay, we'll just do 0.2. That's 20% times 15. It was 15.8. So they're getting $3 million every single week. Now that doesn't seem like a lot. Like, how are they still paying those bonuses? Because those bonuses are still a lot of money, right? I already know somebody, one person, singular person, that's getting $130,000 every single week, and that's one person. And I'm seeing a lot of people getting 50,000, 20,000, 20,000. All these people are getting that weekly, and that's just the bonuses. They're not even considering the fact that they have to pay them. So how is that even possible? Right now, this is something that they said. This is not me making some assumptions. They've said this, okay? They put every bit of earnings that they have into the bot. So let's go ahead and just check to see how much it would be if they actually were to be compounding, right? $15 million. That's what they put into the bot, right? They're getting anywhere from 1% to up to 2%, but we're just gonna keep it at 1%. That's the bare minimum. I haven't seen it go below this. So 1%, right? And we'll do 1 year, no weekends, and $12 million a month, because if they're getting $3 million, all right, every week, 4 weeks, that's 12 million. So 1 year, they get $700 million, and that's how they're paying it out. So now it adds up. See, now it makes sense. They're not doing this for charity. They're using the bot themselves, and they can go ahead and pay out, so it's sustainable. Does it all make sense now? Does it all click? Right? If you remove the bot, this doesn't make sense. When you put the bot in and it's actually accurate and it's true, now it makes sense. All right. So for all these people that are making these videos, I'm not saying that this is still 100% like scam free, that none could happen. No project or company and whatnot are 100% safe. You never know what could happen, right? So I'm not saying it's 100% risk free. To flat out call it a scam without even doing proper research is just ridiculous. All right, because you can't even answer the question. A lot of people ask this as well in the comment section. How would they be paying out? Because I'm making $4,000 a week without needing to recruit anybody at all. That's strictly profits. That's after they take their cut. I'm getting $4,000 a week. So how is it a Ponzi scheme if I'm making money without needing to recruit? I'm just using the product. That doesn't really make sense to me. What do you guys think? But yeah, that's it for the video. No need to drag it on. It's clearly obvious that they have a bot. Otherwise, they might as well just go ahead and open up a charity if they're going to go ahead and give money out themselves, because there's no way they can literally be paying out this much money every single week if there was no bot. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.